Morning, everybody. Morning, Cheech. Just wanted to give you a little view of what's going on outside. Morning glories. Virgil, always with the ball. Some peppers, strawberries. We got a couple sunflowers coming up there. More strawberries and a sour skies. That's get kind of bushy. Starting to take off there. A little palm tree, and in the lobster trap we got another sour skies, which is kind of coming along nice too. Hard to see. Cilantro, another sour skies up top. Lemon tree, peppers. Newly planted stuff up there. We got some lettuce, more peppers, broccoli, some honeydew melons that are getting going. I'll have to transplant. More sunflower seeds. Tomatoes are doing nice. Banana tree in there. Sunflowers, clematis. The dog got to that before I had a chance to wire it up, but I think it'll come back all right. Garlic, sunflowers, I love sunflowers. There's some 14-footers down to 4-footers, different colors. More peppers. We cook with a lot of peppers. Then I got this bonsai I made probably during the winter. I started it. The pine tree in the middle died, so I redid that. This is actually a little maple sapling I found and just stuck in there, and it's really getting cool looking. And the heart maple starting to take off, and then we'll come down the other end. Annuals, perennials. I always get those two confused. Blackberry or raspberry. I think it's raspberry. Some cactus and some miscellaneous stuff I can't remember there. And that's how it goes right out here on the deck right now. You all have a great day. Virgil, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Oh, goodbye.